Hi guys, this is Karen. Yes, today I'm visiting my vendors again. So here we are.
This video is a bit long. You may not finish watching it, but I just want to share with you guys what I'm really into and what products are available at the wholesale market. Now I am visiting the Agarwood vendor. The shop owner is from Vietnam. She has the Agarwood resources and connections in Southeast Asia. All agarwoods and other wooden products are personally selected by herself from Vietnam, Indonesia, Cambodia, genuine beaded bracelets, 108 prayer beads, incense, parts. Of course, there are also high grade and normal grade for agarwood. Same with crystals and gemstones. The Maitreya pendants are made with Kalimantan Agarwood, which they reserved the best craftsmanship for me. Right now I am picking a matching necklace for these pendants.
And here I am. I'm at the other vendors inside the Liwan Square. Now I'm picking the Galaxy Aquamarine, which is very rare, with all the stars sparkling. Just like the galaxy.
Sometimes I could only get a few out of hundreds of their inventories. And this one is special for my friend Donna. I have seen many sellers mix AURALITE 23 with Super 7 crystals, especially when they are still in the raw stone formations. On my left-hand side, these are AURALITE 23. On the right-hand side are Super 7. You can tell the difference from the colors. There's no green color in Super 7 crystal. The best grade of AURALITE 23 should be 4 colors: green, purple, red, yellow. And Super 7 are always at a higher price than AURALITE 23, which I don't know why, because AURALITE 23 is considered as one of the oldest and rare minerals of the earth. There are some new items in the silver factory. I get a super cool double-sided skull clasp for my jewelry designs.
Now I'm sitting here picking the black tourmaline raw stone for the pendants. And then I have to get them to drill the hole. Huh? 还行。 See, while I'm picking the raw stones, all this dust cover my hands and fingers. And I pick the best shape.
And these are the ENHYDRO fluid inclusions crystals. I need to make sure each one is the best out of hundreds of kilograms. Every piece that I chose is amazing. Anything you need that is related to crystals or gemstones, please leave me the comments. And feel free to give me some ideas of what type of videos you would like to watch. I will definitely do my best. If you are interested in my videos, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.